Hey guys, this is my daughter Reese and I'm going to be doing her hair today. I'm going to show little kids hairstyles. I've gotten a lot of requests for it, so let's get started. I wanted to start by showing you the container I keep all of my girl stuff in. I just got it at Home Depot, but I just love keeping all of their stuff contained so I know where everything is. This is my number one thing. It's a seam ripper. It's just $1. You can buy it anywhere, Walmart, Target, and that's how I like taking out their elastics so it doesn't rip their hair. In this bottle, I have leave-in conditioner. I'm just spraying that in and then combing it through. I always like spraying their hair with hairspray first, then brushing it, and then starting the braid. This will contain any flyaways that they'll have since they'll be playing and running around. Now I'm going to start by doing a Dutch braid. I'll be incorporating pieces to the outside strands and crossing them under the middle. The number one thing when braiding little kids' hair is to keep your hands as close to their head while you're braiding as possible. The closer your hands are to their scalp, the tighter the braid is going to be, which you'll want since they play so hard and their hair gets messy super quick. And then I'm just sticking a roller pin or a bobby pin in the end of the braid to keep it secure while I finish the rest. And I'm just going to do the same thing on the sides. Take a little section at front and just add hair into the outsides, braiding it underneath, doing a Dutch braid. Once I reach the back of the head, I'm just going to continue braiding just for about an inch or two, put another roller pin in it. Spray it with hairspray first, comb it through to get all those flyaways, and be sure to keep your hands as close to their head as you can while you're braiding to keep the braid tight. Continue doing the last Dutch braid. I just like to pull apart the braid just a tiny bit. Most times I don't actually do this, but I just wanted to show you how it does make the braid look a bit thicker. Now I'm going to get all the hair in the back, and then I'm just going to pull my finger up through the middle to part the hair. On that top braid, I like to separate it so some of the braid goes in each ponytail. Now I'm just going to do a messy bun. So I'm just showing you quickly there, but I'll show you again a little better how I do it. Slip out the bobby pins that I put in before, spray it and comb it up. I like to wrap it through once, leave some hair out, twist it around, and then wrap it around 2 more times. You can do your messy buns however you want. That's usually how I end up doing my girls because it's so fast. And then I always like pinning their buns to their head. I just think they look a little cuter. So I just take the ends and just bobby pin those down. And since this bun's looking a little different, I'm just trying to make it look the same as the other one. This is it. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Should we do your hair?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I want to watch a movie.
You want to watch a movie while we do your hair?
Yeah.
Sounds like a deal.
Ow.
Sorry, I'll be soft.
Be soft.
Okay. Look it up here at the camera. Smile.